Hey guys, thank you for watching another short video today. A lot of you are adding some weight to the car so it can crawl even better. I've did it too, but I have did it probably in another way than a lot of other guys. Because as you know, there are a lot of aftermarket options that can fit on the rig to make it heavier. What I did is something else. So first of all, let's remove the cap. And I can probably show you it. If you look under here, I have mounted some thin lead plating. I folded it a couple of times and I just found out it was just enough weight to keep it down low. If you look at the position of the rig itself, it's more or less to the front, so it will give you more front weight, which will be better at crawling. And yeah, it's very easy. Just get some lead sheeting, just fold it, cut it to size, and just press it in there. I didn't even use some glue or sticky tape. It's just hold in by friction, and I'm not sure about how many weight it is, but it definitely helps. I'm not sure. It's pretty much. It's pretty much. If you still look at the articulation of the car, it's not hitting. It's not. You see, there's still some little room in there. Be careful when you are doing this, because the first time I have added too much and I ended up removing two folded plates of lead. So yeah, it's very simple, it's very easy to do, anybody can do that. So it's very cheap and very handy solution to add some weight to your little rig. Alright, thank you for watching, have a good day and see you next time guys, bye bye.